Ciao! Buongiorno! Welcome again to Vito's Italian Cucina. Guess what? Today we're going to do something special again. Yeah, you know what? Artichokes. You like artichokes? So do I. So does my family. Take a look at this. Look at these artichokes. Long stems. Wow. Those are pretty cool. I've seen them, but I've never really used them. And we're going to go ahead and bread them and fry them. Yummy. Whoa, look how beautiful those look. Oh, they look gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my God. I can't wait. By the way, I already ate one of these just right out of the jar and it was wonderful. So I'm gonna take the artichoke like this. I'm gonna dip it in like this first. Then I'm gonna dive it in and roll it around. Then into breadcrumbs and then over here. I'm gonna dip it in, dippity dippity do, just like so. And then I'm gonna roll it around, roll it around. This is fun. I love this. I love making a mess. I just love it. Meet you over at the fryer. All right, look at egg wash, breadcrumbs with cheese. They're ready to go. Thanks for meeting me at the fryer. Let's do it. The oil's at about 350, 375, so be careful putting it in there. Oh, look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Woo, baby. Tell me those things don't look great, Madon. Don't go nowhere. Garlic, lemon, butter. And here we go. I'm gonna do a little drizzle in there, okay? Here we go. A little bit, just a little bit, just like so. Just like so. Look at that. Out on there. Finished product. It's beautiful. A little rosemary. Hey, arrivederci. Thank you from Vito's Italian Cucina. And remember, you go on there and subscribe, please. I'm on YouTube also. I could sure use your help. Salute. Ciao.